Sir, do you remember what I told you? He said, don't worry, I received it. Now started to scope me. You don't. Now I reason with our wife that so in 3 years they don't do anything. Their junior brother, Mr. Fatloye, brought me to there to work. So he now told me that he will find me another job or he will reason with his brother first. So and I called him. He told me that he gave me feedback. I should not worry. I should call him. He told me that he will find another job for me. But I should not leave there. I should stay there. 1 year over. Another 1 year over. He now told me that don't worry. Now he don't pick my call again. Now I decided to plan with myself that I will collect my money from them. So now with someone in my street, which is Olori Odo. Now the man collect 40,000 from me to borrow gun. Go and help me to borrow gun. That man he don't borrow the gun, it's me. Now I nice find guy that can help me, that have gun. I have to look around, search for that. Now I see one guy, Kofi. So that guy he now told me that I should not worry, he have gun, but he need money to buy bullet. And I told him that go and bring that gun first before I give you money. And I told me that don't worry, he'll call me in the next 3 days. In the next 3 days he called me and I told him that I'd come in.
So
where are you?
At this, so the time
that
you went into the house.
That man.
Go ahead, hold on. When you went into the house,
yes,
that they transferred the money to you.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, tell us when they transferred the money to you, what did you do with the money? And how did you kill? What did you use to kill them?
Yes, I'm not the one that killed them.
Okay.
It is Kofi that killed the man and the woman.
So where were you then?
Yes, thank you. When they did the money to me, I decided to tell Kofi that.
How much?
They do 1.1 million 2,000 to me. They purposely do 102,000 in GTR app account. So now they open union account to do 1 million naira to me.
Okay.
So remain in that account, that union account remain 8.5 million because we met 9.5 there. So now Kofi now told me that I should take that woman to outside. So Kofi now go and find knife and so when he cut so as we now open the door, we saw blood on the floor. So now choked the woman knife in his neck and he cut the woman's head. Then the woman now fell down. So now he now asked that, do we have petrol in this house? And he said, I don't have jet. I said, we have. We now check the generator. I see. Now see fuel in the keg. So he now say, is it not fuel? Now you are telling me lie. He now say, now carry the fuel enter. Outside their son. Now say, make it go. They'll take them. We now lock them. They now enter the kitchen. So we now stay them down. Kofi and Akamo tie the hand. So they now say make I stay there. Make I they look them. So they now the woman to their room. I'm coming. So they now. So yes, that is what I'm telling.
Hold on. Why did you burn their body?
I'm not the one that burned their body. It is
why did the team? Why did they burn the body?
Yes. He told me that we cannot leave them like that. So because it has killed them or the Kofi has killed them already. Now say we burn the body. And I said no. He told me that what concern me is you know. And I said I'm the one that bring you to here. He now put down at my neck. So and I say, just calm down. I will cooperate with you. We now take the two sons to the motor. We now lock them at the boot. So now, he now say, make I drive out outside the gate, and I drive outside the gate. So Kofi now put the fuel inside. So he now come down. He lock the gate. So we now drive toward the.
Who said the outside place?
Sir?
Who said the outside place?
I don't.
Fire there.
It's Kofi.
So now that you have done it, do you regret?
The vehicle.
Where is the vehicle now?
The vehicle, Akamo, I sold the vehicle at 100,000. It is in the statement. He said the body 30,000. He said the engine 30,000. It's Akamo that go back and stole the vehicle because he has said that police has arrested me. We park at the Okeata side. So he now go to the hotel that we lodge. He go and take the key and the phone. So and everything. He now go there and go and sell the car. It is Akamo that said the car by himself.
So now that
Why did you come back the second day to that house?
What?
Why did you come back to that house?
Yes, it is Mr. Sheifatilo that called me that I should come to that house. He want to see me, and I decided, well, if I go there, if they arrest me, I will be on my own. So then when I get there, the officer of Egberun arrest me. They say this is Lekan, so they arrest me. Now I saw the fellas. So he's now saying, yes, he's one that brought the people to the house. He's among. So that is the reason why.
How do you manage to escape life of felons?
No, we don't keep early, so it is me that. No, because Kofin and Akamo, I see them. It is the one that say make them carry them to.
Do you regret your action?
do you regret your action?
Yes, I regret it because they did not listen to what I told them that we want to collect ordinary money. We don't want to kill them. We don't want to kill anybody.
How do you manage to escape from police custody?
Yes.
How do you manage?
When I reach there,
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
because I have eyes bleeding. So when I fall down, they treat me. So when I sit down, I sit down. I don't know that I cannot stand well because I fell down. I piss on the floor. So when I look outside like this, because it is not me in the afternoon, not night. One spirit enter my body. So I started run. They started shooting. That is why I run away. So my mama and my wife, they don't know anything. They did not know anything about what happened. So make government free them, I beg. Thank you.
Money.
Okay, ọ̀dọ̀ yìí ló tún sí ìgbà tí ó ti ṣe crime commit crime yẹn.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwádìí wọn lọ́dọ̀ yín ló sùn sí ẹ̀yin lẹ́bàá gbalé ẹ̀yin lẹ́bàá ra fún kódà ẹ̀yin lẹ́ change sim.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n ṣàlàyé bí ààrẹ yẹn ṣe jẹ́. Nígbà tí ó lọ rọ́ọ̀mù tó délé, ó dé ilé wọn ní Okunkun. So ó ní àbúrò ọ̀gá òun, ó pe àwọn àbúrò ọ̀gá ẹ̀, ó lọ pe àwọn àbúrò ẹ̀ àti ọmọ mi ẹ̀lú ṣàlàyé fún mi pé àbúrò ọ̀gá ẹ̀ pé kó wá nígbà tí ó ṣiṣẹ́ ńlá tó ṣe lóògùn àti ọdún kọ̀ọ̀la ní aago mẹ́sàn-án lè ní àti ẹ̀ríra nígbà tó dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ láàbí tó dé mọ́mí ẹ̀ ní ọ̀wọ́n rí pé ọjọ́ lọ kí apẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn ní èlò èmi àjọ lọ kí apẹ̀rẹ̀ gbà tó dẹ̀ di ọjọ́.
Ahmed Ọdẹ́tọ́lá.
Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ kí ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀?
So ìyá wọn sọ fún bàbá yẹn pé dáàdi ẹ bá wọn ṣòwò bàbá yẹn wá fẹ́ try another account another bank. So ibi tó ti bàbá yẹn ti ń try another bank yẹn kò ṣáà lọ ṣá kò lọ. So bí Lekan ṣe mú àmọ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ nìyẹn pé ẹ̀ lè bá kọ yín sọ̀rọ̀ pé fọ́ àmọ́ mọ́ ìyá yẹn lórí nìyẹn.
Lekan ló fámọ̀ mọ́ ìyá lórí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Nínú yàrá àti
nínú sitting room.
Bóyá báwo ni bàbá ṣe wá kú?
So bí bàbá
Má bínú, ó sọ wípé ẹ di owó bàbá.
owó bàbá.
Báwo ni bàbá fi wá ṣe transfer fún yín àbí fúnra ilẹ̀ fi fóònù ṣe transfer bàbá?
Irọ́ bàbá á di ọwọ́ wọn.
Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dì ọwọ́ àtẹsẹ̀kọ́ tó kọ́kọ́ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ok á di ọwọ́ wọn.
Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe wá ṣe transfer?
Fóònù wà lọ́wọ́ bàbá yẹn.
Pé Lekan fúnra rẹ̀ ló ń ṣe transfer.
Ló ń ṣe lórí bàbá yẹn sọ fún un bóyá.
Pé píìnì rèé o, bóyá tẹ̀síwájú.
So bí Lekan ti pa àwádó ti bàbá yẹn. So Lekan ti pa ìyàwó ó fọ́ àmà mọ́ wọn lórí. Bí Lekan ṣe fọ́ àmà mọ́ wọn lórí. Eléyìí wá ń sọ pé báyìí ló ti máa fọ́ àmà mọ́ bàbá yẹn lórí ni pé nǹkan tó sọ kọ́ la wá ṣe yìí náà. Lórúkọ òun bàbá yẹn ṣe bí bàbá yẹn ṣe rí orúkọ òun nígbà tó jẹ́ pé òun ló ń bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ ó dẹ̀ máa ń gbowó oṣù níbẹ̀ ó sì mọ àkáǹtì nọ́mbà yẹn ó wá ní nítorí ẹ̀ ni òun ṣe pa ìyàwó.
Báwo lẹ ṣe pa ọkọ?
So ibi tí ó ti wá ń drag wá sọ pé òun ti dáhùn wípé ó máa di wàhálà. So bí gbogbo èlò mọ́bẹ nìyẹn ìyẹn Kofi ní pé òun máa kú dú ní pé ká kú dú bàbá yẹn náà. So bí Kofi ṣe dú bàbá yẹn nìyẹn.
Kofi ló dú bàbá yẹn lọ.
Kofi ló
Living room náà lẹ dùn sí.
inú living room mọ̀.
Báwo ló ṣe wá jẹ́ pé iná ṣe yọ lókè? Báwo lẹ ṣe kó wọn lókè lọ súnmọ́?
So bí tí ó ṣe dú bàbá yẹn kò pẹ́ díẹ̀ báyìí ó ní àwọn ọmọ yẹn dé àwọn ọmọ bàbá yẹn adẹ ti ní ká máa lọ nígbà tí nǹkan yẹn ti ṣẹlẹ̀. So Lekan wá ní pé òun ò lè fi bíbá ilé báyìí o ìyẹn bóyá ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣe pọ̀ nílẹ̀ báyìí òun ò lè fi ibẹ̀ ilé báyìí o. So òun ló wá lọ mú mọ́bà ń ta pẹ̀lú bucket ó bomi sí òun ló ń ṣe tó ń para tó ń lọ tó ń para time díẹ̀ ti ń lọ nǹkan bíi tó 4 nìkan yẹn. So mo ní irú ìjọ ló fẹ́ ṣe gbogbo eré ìdá bí ká máa lọ wá ní àwọn ọmọ tó wà nílé nǹkan. So ok bí ọmọ yẹn ṣe dé yẹn ó kọlẹ̀kùn sitting room ó di pé everybody ò ṣí ilẹ̀kùn. So bọ́ọ̀lù lọ gba àwọn ọmọ yẹn ṣe lọ gba ẹ̀yìn wọlé nìyẹn. So ìbọn tó wà lọ́wọ́ Kofi ó wá súnmọ́ ní bóyá ṣílẹ̀kùn òun àti Lekan. So bóyá ṣílẹ̀kùn ilẹ̀kùn kitchen yẹn bóyá ṣílẹ̀kùn kitchen yẹn. So ó wá fi ìbọn yẹn control wọn ní pé kó dọ̀bálẹ̀ sínú kitchen. So bóyá dọ̀bálẹ̀ sínú kitchen. So aṣáà mú eléyìí wá padà sọ́dọ̀ àwọn dádì yẹn ìyẹn Lekan wá padà sọ́dọ̀ dádì yẹn ó wá ń wọ́ wọn lọ sókè. So aṣáà de àwọn.
Lótìtọ́ ni wípé inú yàrá rẹ pa wọ́n sí
inú sitting room.
Inú sitting room ẹlẹ́ wọn lọ sókè òkè ẹlẹ́ tí wàá da iná sun wọn.
Àwa jọ wọ́ wọn wá ní káwọ́ wọn lọ sókè nípò máa nu gbogbo bẹ̀ yẹn àwa wọ́ wọn lọ sókè àti dádì yẹn àti mọ́mì yẹn. So àwọn ọmọ yẹn àwa dé wọn lọ́wọ́ sẹ́yìn nínú kitchen. So báyìí dé wọn lọ́wọ́ sẹ́yìn sínú kitchen. Ó wá sọ pé nígbà àwọn ọmọ yẹn ti rójú òun pé kí la lè ṣe fún wọn. Ó wá ní ká máa kó wọn ká lọ dump wọn sí odò.
Ta ló máa ìdí àyẹn wá?
Ìyẹn Lekan torí òun ló mọ mọ́tò wa àwọn ọmọ mọ́tò. So mọ́tò tó àwọn ọmọ yẹn gbé wọlé òun la wá padà gbé àwọn ọmọ yẹn sínú boot. So Lekan wá ní pé òun ò lè fi gbogbo nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí òun ò lè filẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. So ó wá wọnú store wọn wá gbé petrol jáde. So ó wá fi petrol sí inú àgbé wa ó wọnú mímọ́ tó ti gbé petrol jáde. So bóyá gbé petrol jáde nìyẹn. So ó ṣáà fi petrol yẹn ó dà sí gbogbo inú òkè yẹn ó wá ní láìtà. So wá sálẹ̀ wá wọnú kitchen wá láìtà. So a dẹ̀ ti gbé àwọn ọmọ yẹn èmi àti Kofi àti gbé àwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ sínú boot. So wá ní kó wá gbé mọ́tò yẹn kó gbé lọ síta ká gbé síta nínú compound kó tó ṣáná sí. So bóyá gbé mọ́tò yẹn síta báyìí Ayọ́ndà mọ́tò yẹn a ti gbé lọ sí tó gate lọ́dọ̀ àwọn àbúkí kan bọ̀bọ̀ òsùnmọ̀ kan ló ṣá bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ata ní 130. 130,000.
Gbogbo owó tó wà lọ́wọ́ yín wá jẹ́ 1.330.
Àwọn fóònù wọn kọ́.
Àwọn fóònù wọn mo adáná sun wọn díẹ̀.
Kú dédé àsìkò yìí bóyá àárọ̀ lẹ́yìn wà ní o tàbí ọ̀sán tàbí àṣálẹ́ o Benjamin Olúwaṣẹ́gun Olúwapamílẹ́rìn náà sì ni orúkọ mi ní ìlú Abẹ́òkúta ibẹ̀ la wà yìí níbi tí a ti gbọ́ wípé àwọn ẹbí kan tí wọ́n pàdánù ẹ̀mí wọn láàrin 31st of December sí 1st of January ni a gbọ́ pé àwọn ẹbí yìí ni wọ́n pàdánù ẹ̀mí wọn láti ọwọ́ ìkan nínú àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ wọn. Àgọ́ ọlọ́pàá ti eléwé ẹran ibẹ̀ la wà ìyẹn nílùú Abẹ́òkúta Ogun State níbi tí a ti fi hàn yín wípé àwọn arákùnrin náà òun náà lẹ́wọ̀ tán ní àìpẹ́ yìí yẹn bá ṣe máa fi ojú àwọn aṣebi bá ṣe máa fi hàn nìyẹn nítorí pé a gbọ́dọ̀ dẹ́kun ìwà ìbàjẹ́ ìyẹn ní ìlú yìí bá ti ní ẹ̀wà ara tó ẹ jẹ́ ká fi máa yé wa wípé ikú á sọ di erùpẹ̀ yẹn ní ọjọ́ kan ìyẹn ní ká fi máa ṣe àṣàrò nínú ọkàn wa lọ́sàn-án àti ní òru ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá tiẹ̀ ní ìwà ìpánlẹ̀ láti wù ẹ sọ fún irú wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ìjọba máa kápá wọn. àwọn ẹbí Kásìnọ́wọ̀ ìyẹn ní ìlú Abẹ́òkúta bí ayé wọn bó ṣe rí bọ́n ṣe lo ìgbésí ayé ìyẹn àwọn tó pa àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyí wo Lovers Arena TV ó ní darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní subscribe like kí o sì share pẹ̀lú nítorí pé irú àwọn ìwà yìí àwọn ìwà tí ò tẹ́gbẹ́ yìí lọ́gọ́ láfi máa hàn yín àwọn ìwà tí ò bójú mu ìyẹn láwùjọ àwọn ènìyàn láfi máa hàn yín ìyẹn ní iléeṣẹ́ wa kẹ́sì má gbàgbé wípé ọwọ́ tó bá ti dilẹ̀ ńkọ́ ṣe bóun gógó lè ṣù máa yálò Benjamin Olúwaṣẹ́gun Olúwapamílẹ́rìn lórúkọ mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí èyí ni màá fi máa ṣe lọ fún wa wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká dẹ́kun wa ìbàjẹ́ tá a bá rí àwọn ọmọ wa tó ń wà ìpáǹle gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyá yẹn ṣe sọ ní ẹ̀kan yẹn tá a bá rí àwọn ọmọ wa tó ń wà ìpáǹle tá a bá tètè kápá wọn ó ṣe mí láàánú pé ọwọ́